Have you ever heard of the slimy vegetable that's packing a punch when it comes to your health? Yes, we're talking about okra, also known as lady's finger. Whether you love it or avoid it, you're about to discover why this humble green pod deserves a place on your plate. In today's video, we'll explore the amazing health benefits of okra, backed by reliable research and studies. From improving digestion to protecting your heart and even helping manage diabetes, okra is a true nutritional powerhouse. Let's dive into the science and find out how this vegetable can help transform your health. Stay tuned because the more you learn, the more you'll realize this isn't just another vegetable, it's a game changer. Okra, scientifically known as Abelmoschus esculentus, is a flowering plant that's mainly cultivated in tropical, subtropical, and warm-temperate regions around the world. It's commonly found in African, Middle Eastern, and South Asian cuisines. Its distinct slimy texture may be off-putting for some, but its health benefits more than make up for it. In fact, it's not just the pod but the seeds, leaves, and even roots of the okra plant that carry medicinal properties. But how exactly does it benefit your body? Let's take a closer look at its nutritional profile. Okra is rich in essential nutrients that make it a star in the world of vegetables. Here's what a 100-gram serving of okra contains. Calories: just 33 calories. Fiber: 3 grams of fiber, which is crucial for digestion. Vitamin C: 36% of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin K: 44% of your daily needs, important for blood clotting and bone health. Folate: 22%, making it great for pregnant women. Antioxidants: high in flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect your cells from oxidative stress. Magnesium, calcium, and potassium: essential minerals for heart, muscle, and bone health. Okra's nutrient density means that even a small serving can have a large impact on your daily nutrient intake. And these nutrients translate into real, tangible health benefits. One of the most well-known benefits of okra is its ability to promote digestive health. Its high fiber content makes it excellent for your gut. Boosts regularity. The fiber in okra helps prevent constipation by adding bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass. Regular consumption keeps your digestive system running smoothly. Prebiotic effect. Okra also acts as a prebiotic, feeding the good bacteria in your gut. This leads to a healthier gut microbiome, which is increasingly being linked to overall well-being, from immunity to mental health. Protects against digestive disorders. Studies have shown that okra's mucilage, yes, the slimy stuff, can soothe inflammation in the digestive tract, making it beneficial for those suffering from conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or Crohn's disease. This mucilage coats the stomach lining and acts as a protective barrier. In fact, a study published in the journal BMC Complementary and Alternative Medicine found that okra extracts significantly reduced inflammation in the digestive system of test subjects. This makes okra a natural remedy for various digestive disorders. Now, if you're concerned about your blood sugar levels, okra might just become your new best friend. Helps manage diabetes. Okra has been studied for its potential role in managing blood sugar levels. The fiber in okra slows the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream, preventing spikes and dips. This makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with type 2 diabetes. A study published in the Journal of Pharmacy and Bioallied Sciences in 2011 found that okra extracts could reduce blood sugar levels in rats. Though more human studies are needed, early research is promising, suggesting that okra can be a natural ally in the fight against diabetes. Reduces the risk of insulin resistance. Furthermore, okra's antioxidant content may help reduce insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes. By reducing oxidative stress, okra keeps your body's insulin functioning properly. Pro tip: for maximum effect, try eating okra in different forms: steamed, grilled, or even raw. Heart disease remains one of the leading causes of death worldwide, and diet plays a huge role in both prevention and management. Okra, with its rich nutrient profile, can support heart health in several ways. Lowers cholesterol levels. The fiber content in okra binds with bile acids in the intestines, which helps reduce cholesterol absorption. This means less bad LDL cholesterol ends up in your bloodstream, lowering your risk of heart disease. Reduces inflammation. Okra contains antioxidants like quercetin, which reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the arteries. This lowers your risk of plaque buildup, which can lead to conditions like atherosclerosis. According to research published in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry, okra extract showed the potential to reduce cholesterol levels in animal models, making it a promising dietary addition for heart health. Regulates blood pressure. Thanks to its potassium and magnesium content, okra helps regulate blood pressure by promoting vasodilation, widening of blood vessels, which eases the workload on your heart. Lower blood pressure means a lower risk of heart attacks and strokes. Your bones will also thank you for adding okra to your diet. Rich in vitamin K. Okra provides a good amount of vitamin K, which is essential for calcium absorption. This is crucial for maintaining strong bones and preventing osteoporosis, especially as you age. Calcium content. Though not as calcium-rich as dairy products, okra contains a fair amount of calcium, helping to build and maintain bone density. Research published in Nutrients found that adequate intake of vitamin K can significantly reduce the risk of bone fractures. Consuming okra regularly ensures that you're getting enough of this vital nutrient to keep your bones strong. Antioxidants are compounds that fight free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells and lead to aging, cancer, and other chronic diseases. Okra is rich in antioxidants, making it a valuable part of a healthy diet. Fights oxidative stress. The antioxidants in okra, such as quercetin, flavonoids, and polyphenols, neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and protecting your cells from damage. Cancer prevention. While more studies are needed, some research suggests that the antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds in okra may help prevent the development of certain cancers, such as colorectal cancer. A study published in the journal Molecular Nutrition and Food Research found that okra extracts reduced cancer cell growth in the lab. Although it's too early to draw conclusions for humans, it's an exciting area of research. Last but not least, let's talk beauty. Promotes clear skin. The vitamin C and antioxidants in okra help keep your skin glowing by reducing inflammation and promoting collagen production. Collagen is key to maintaining youthful, elastic skin. Boosts hair health. The mucilage in okra can also be used as a natural conditioner for hair. It moisturizes the scalp, reduces dandruff, and adds shine. Many beauty enthusiasts even swear by okra masks for strengthening hair and promoting growth, so, whether you're looking to improve your digestion, manage blood sugar, boost heart health, or keep your skin glowing, okra has something to offer everyone. Its nutrient-rich profile and wide range of health benefits make it a versatile vegetable that's worth including in your diet regularly. If you've been avoiding okra because of its texture, it might be time to give it another try. There are many ways to prepare it, and the health rewards are well worth it. So, there you have it. I want to hear from you. Have you tried okra before? If yes, what's your favorite way to eat it? Comment down below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.